Yep. All right. So we're trying out you and trying to build a simple TODO application. I'll have to redock a window for chat. Where did I find that window? Media source, scene. Where can I find? Oh. Now I can't find the dockable chat window in OBS. No. I'll have to stop streaming. Or, you know what I can do is, I can just... I can just this... And I can drag it here. Alright, cool. This should do. Cool. interesting. If I click here, perfect, we have access to TODO now. But do we have access to... Oh, no. I want to be able to access the event as well, if it is possible, of course. I wonder if it is. What I'm gonna do is create another struct with one event, and the other thing is going to be to now we're gonna pass in this value. Let's see if it is possible. I don't think it will be possible because of reasons. I think the clone is let's see if it's possible. So what we're gonna do is so here we go, event and clone, and what I'm gonna do is pass in this checkbox data, and I think the reason is event is not in the scope. What do you mean? Oh, I think event should be here, if I'm not wrong, but I'm so confused. So what are we calling it? Eve? Do I have to specify the type for it? I am not sure if this type is also event in this case, but guess we'll just find out. And this will probably give me an error. Expected struct. Okay. We'll do what? Checkbox data, and what? It works? Really? Oh, it works. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so these are just normal struct. I was thinking, leave it. So we can move forward since we have access to events is the event as well as stats. So we can do something like this. Dude, I'm accidentally pressing some stupid key. Checked, and we're gonna call checked, and let's call it data. We're gonna do data dot event. Alright, so now we have access to this, and there should be a pool. I don't know why do I have to explicitly specify here, but apart from this, we can also get TODO as TODO. So we are going to log these two values. Can I use the same thing here as well? No? What's wrong? Yep, require with the bounded trade call. From string is not satisfied. I wonder what is the example of the log. Hmm. No, this is different log. This example shows off how to use console log in a variety of ways, all the way from bare bones usage to println like macro. Okay. So you can just do this. Well, I wonder. Let's see. Let's try this out. This works. Now, do I have to? It takes an array, not a string. I don't know. Log many. No. Do I have to explicitly write these? Not sure. Let's try this out. Go to compile example online. No, okay, this was exact example. I'm just gonna stick to JS1. Let's try to finish this TODO app. We're gonna filter the existing cloned TODO state dot set. Let's see if it works without cloning. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is it was actually correct. You clone, you iter then cloned to convert the reference into the clone value. But you could use, we could use, this is fine, this should do. There's an issue. Yep. Alright, let's fix this. Can I? We're gonna do TODO's state dot clone and TODO's state. Yeah, well, there's an issue somewhere here. Yeah, which makes sense. I am forgetting something actually, because I don't know. I'm familiar with one fix here. I could just create another variable, which is basically the clone of the TODO's state, like but when I'm trying to do this, let's see if it works. If I do let TODO's state to be clone, and then I'm going to use this. We still have an issue. It's already cloned, right? Do I have to? Look, it's still not solved. What should I do? Can I do, I don't know. This should fix. So we're filtering. So now I'm gonna try to conditionally add a class. Styles. How can I use just normal styles for now? Classes. Yeah, I just want to allocate, like, conditionally add classes. Alright, this is an example. So we're gonna go back to our to-dos here. So what we're going to do now is to conditionally add a class in the span. So we're gonna do class, okay, and then we're gonna rely on this classes macro, which is going to, what is this? How to use the classes? Okay. You can assign 1, 2. You can have an optional class as well, a vector, and an array. What I want to be able to do is conditionally assign the class. So how can I directly use if else here? If it is completed, we're gonna assign check class, otherwise we're gonna remove it. Let's see if this works. Can I do this? This works. Okay, so we can remove these. Now what I'm gonna do is to I'm gonna just add the class check in my CSS file, which is, this is a cool way of using a CSS out of the box. So oh, I even forget the text style. No, text decoration, right? And we're gonna do dashed line through. Let's see if we select one. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, I'm building the whole, this is cool. I mean, we built the whole thing in Rust, the whole UI. It's just amazing. This is perfect. I'm still confused. How can I, first of all, I'm gonna remove this. You know what, we're gonna create a readme as well. To do in, I don't know, view? We should name it something fancy, like, just like Prime Engine does. Let's name it something crazy. I don't know. Dope to do or something. No, not something like this. Let's just think of something. I don't know. Something which is a bit double meaning plus it sounds cool. Confused. You know what? I'm just gonna name it dude right now. Do. So things to do. First of all, we're gonna have. First of all, we're gonna have CRUD operation on to-dos. This is something we need to finish. Then we'll look for persistent state using local storage. Shouldn't. Okay. Storage. And then we're going to have add a backend store todos. Maybe. This is like maybe later. So maybe in the later streams we could try to write a simple backend server for this. So apart from this, what else it should be able to do? So we can check, update. We should be able to update it. Let's see. Let's try to delete it first. So we're deleting it. We're going to, it looks very ugly and that's not the point. We're not gonna focus on UI. So we're gonna have a button here. Delete. Is there a way I can have some space between the two? I could just do style and all right, this does work. And let's add here too. We're gonna do margin bottom to be 0.3 rem, so that we have some space between the two dos. Oh, all right. So now we're gonna look for. We're gonna do something similar. So this is for on to do select. We're gonna have something similar for this in here. All right, so this is an example of nested callback, right? Yeah. So on to do delete. Well, it's doing it for me. Oh, that's cool. We just straight clone and filter. Yeah, cool. This sounds cool. Well. No, you can't do this here. You need to emit this event. Or do I? I wonder if I can directly remove it here. Mm, borrowed value to do state. Moved here, which is checkbox data. But aren't we cloning it? Cloning these to do state dot clone? Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, well, there's one way in which I can have a separate clone for this, but I'm still confused. Is there a better way where I don't have to write all of these different clone values? I don't know. I'm pretty bad at Rust. Okay. So what we are going to do is let's try to do this right here. Delete DC delete cloned to do state. This is really bad. There should be a way. I'm just not getting it. So what we are going to do is we're going to use this I think now we can just use state because we're cloning. It actually works. Let's see if we can put this button here. There is an error here. Oh, sorry. This should be no. This is fine, right? TODO delete. The issue is expected this, but found a new callback. Interesting. It's not implemented for this. Required a bound introduced by this call. What is the issue here? All right, so let's see if I can figure this out. So what is an error on video select? I mean, we're doing something similar. I'm not sure why the on click is not working here. So we're not emitting anything, right? Yep, we're not. So can we do something like Why can I not do this? What's wrong? Well, we are emitting this here, which is fine. But we're not returning any callback, right? No. The emit, I think emit should return. It returns out. I don't know what is out. The value that's being passed here. So we just need the ID, right? So can we have an, let's try to do something similar that we did before this. Let handle TODO delete. And we are going to do something like, since we just need ID, we could just rely on ID for deleting a specific TODO. Let's do this, and we just need ID, so we're gonna do, this is fine. Reader ID is not equals to this. This looks good. We might need, oh wait a second, why is there nested? Yeah, this should not be here. We're just filtering it out, and when it comes to this part, we're just gonna emit. So we're gonna have, first of all, a TODO, and then we're gonna, why is there another set of callback? What is, do I have to explicitly specify the event type, although we're not using it, so we could do this. It still doesn't solve our initial problem. I'm not sure why can't we pass in. Why is this an issue? Why can I not pass? Why can't I pass? Oh, you have to clone this too? That shouldn't. Handle checkbox event. Let's try to clone it. Although this shouldn't make any difference, I guess. Why can I not use the mouse event closure? Found this callback thing. The trait mouse event is not implemented for this event. Is there something we can do about it? What if I about this? And what it's a on change event, listener events. There's something similar, listener events. Then why can't I use this? Why is this an issue now? Oh, come on, please don't tell me something is values moved into this closure. Which value? Okay. Which value are we talking about? To-do state? Do we have to clone it? Although we could just rely on DC to do as well. Yeah, I think this should also work. No, I do have to clone it. Interesting. And this solved our problem. Wait a second. Wait. This is our delete. Oh, we changed it to this. Why can I not use on click here? What was the general rule for on click? I must be using on click somewhere apart from this. When it comes to create to do, it is again a callback of mouse event. Oh, is that the issue? Callback of mouse event. But I think, oh, is that the reason? I'm not sure. Let's see. Can I do mouse event now? Here. Oh, it worked. Okay. So, which means I can delete. Oh, this is perfect. Wow, wonderful. Now, this is cool. Let's not bother about the repo. This is fine. We can delete. How can I update a specific to-do? I can have a sort of a dialog box which allows me to do it. Before moving to that, let's see if we can persist the state. Let's see if we can persist the state. Local storage. I don't know. No. How can I use local storage in websys? You can do this by using this, which provides bindings to this. And you can find documentation over here, and they are pointing to exact same thing. So apparently Alright, so you get the, and then you can sort of work in the same way. If you're using std web, you should be able to use std web equivalent. There are also u abstraction over local in session storage, which can be used. Let's see. Alright, let's see if we can directly use the abstraction that the U offer. This module contains U implementation of service of local in session storage browser. Stored service. Interesting. And how does the type works? Or do we have to rely on, do we have to explicitly parse the string that's there? So there's an example, you're relying on this. I don't know what area local is. Restored models. Area local. This is also coming. Okay. To directly use the storage service. Failed to resolve, could not found service in U. Do I have to explicitly specify this feature that I'm using? TODO MVC, cargo tunnel. How can I use it? I will require storage, I guess, but let's see if this will be enough. I don't think so, but let's see. Nah. How can I use U services? Whatever was written by this. Alright, let's take a look at this too. After cleaning up this, we can bring the service storage. I forgot the command here. Okay. How can I import services? I wonder. There should be some way to add it. I'm just not able to fix it. You must be specifying this somewhere. That's pretty good, actually. What is CD live? I don't know. Oh, this is different thing, right? You have this, we have some bindgen, you. We're not even explicitly specifying this features. Let's see if I just import. Let's do this. Alright, now We're still not having services. Come on. I don't think we will have to do this, but yeah, this is for what lib. Why can't I import services? No way, I can't find anything on it. Why? Failed to resolve, could not find this. Damn it. Could not find services in you. This is just websys storage. You know what? I'm just gonna use websys storage now. I'm so done. This is fucking annoying for no reason. What is happening? Why is this an issue now? Damn it. I'm pretty sure you just need to write some sort of feature in here, and this should probably do. I'm just not able to find. Let's see if I just try to do services or something. Services. Will it work? And here we go. Just say but you does not have these features. What are the different features in you? Can I just go to you artist create? Let's see, grids.io. Just give me this. Can I find anything? You only need this. If you're building an application, it will enable renderer and this. If you're making a library, do not this. Okay. Why can I not access? Which version is the latest U version? This is exactly what we were using. Oh, let's just remove. Can I now use storage? No. What about you? No, I don't even have services. Come on, dude. You know what? I'm gonna continue this tomorrow now. I feel kind of sleepy, and it's almost 2:44 a.m. So, see ya. We're gonna continue this TODO app, and after this probably a simple backend server for it in Rest. And we can probably use gRPC there. So I'll try to use gRPC on the client server side and the client side, and then use U as a for client side, and it will make pretty cool application. And there's something called U material too. I just saw. I think it is material UI. Whoa, this is cool. This is cool. But it's kind of ugly, but alright, it is actually good. This is actually really cool. We could use it, but we're not gonna use it. We can probably gonna try Tailwind CSS, but not this. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream now. Thanks for being here. I think nobody was here, but alright.